All right, we're going to get right over into it then with our first speaker, Mr. Lei Xia from ASIACHEM, who's going to give us an update on VFB projects in China. And just remember, everyone, if you have any questions, please put them into the Q&A function in the toolbar.
Okay. Um, Thanks for the invitation from Vanitech, and thanks, John, for your introduction. And today I would like to deliver a presentation about China's updates of VRB or VFB uh, projects in China. Uh, Firstly, uh, I, I would like to say this report is only for reference only and does not means any investment advice. So the next page, John. Okay. The current background of the energy storage industry is come from two sides. First one is the market demand, and the second one is the policy support in China. And for the market demand side, the renewable energy integration and transportation, electrification, like electrical vehicles, and another new one is the AI infrastructure. All of them need a reliable reliable supply of the power or electricity supply. And for the long-duration energy storage, it's a very important buffer and stabilizer for renewable integration, particularly the PV or solar and the wind power generation. And for the policy side, the government of China released the policies like a special action plan for the large scale development of new energy storage. The target in next year, 2027, is about 180 gigawatt plus for the total energy storage, and 30% from will more than 4 hours long duration energy storage. And another is the notice on the improving the capacity tariff or pricing mechanism on the generation side. Yeah, next one. Yeah, this this picture is from the Sinopec, which is the state-owned energy company in China. And this picture shows both the solar or PV and the wind power installation keep increasing over the past years, and in the future will keep the increasing every year. So the Chinese government aims to peak carbon emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. So this goal requires continued development of renewable energy, and the sustained growth of renewable energy capacity by the PV and wind power will fuel continued rise in the demand of energy storage. Okay, next one. So if we talk about energy storage in China, actually most of the most of the we call the new type energy storage comes from the lithium ion batteries. About even 97% is from the LIB, we call the lithium ion battery, and for the flow batteries, only accounts for 1.1%. And so the in China in last year 2025, China's total new energy storage is about 145 gigawatt, 85% year-on-year growth. And the new additions or new installed capacity is about 66 gigawatt and about 119 gigawatt hour. And the non-duration energy storage projects drive tech diversification, which means the many technology route to develop the non-duration energy storage. And the lithium ion battery dominates the total energy storage market. You can see from the picture. And for the liquid flow batteries, there are many different technical route for the liquid flow battery. And the vanadium flow battery is the most important one. VRB dominates the niche market. Okay, next one. So why VRB is so unique for the energy storage? Next one. So let's compare the SWOT between the LIB and the VRB or VFB. So the most important thing for the LIB, the strength is the low cost than the VRB, and but LIB has a very big challenge or weaknesses. Is the fail risk, or someone run away. It's not safe enough. Actually, in China, there are two main technical routes for the LIB for the EV batteries, and one of them are forbidden for the energy storage because with the high risks to get fire. And for the vanadium flow battery, it's inherently safe. Everybody knows that. And with a cycle life longer than the LIB, and ideal for non-duration energy storage. But the challenge is the upfront costs, mainly include the raw material costs, and capex is higher than the LIB, and also the energy density is also then lower than LIB. And both of the LIB and VRB have the opportunities to meet the demand for the market, and both of them are supported by the government policies. So they also have some threats for LIB. the lithium price volatility, and for vanadium price volatility are the both threats for this different route. So next one. So we can see the picture that the all vanadium redox flow battery. So vanadium have a very unique character, which is they have 4 oxidation states: +2, +3, +4, and +5. And the changes between these states can be utilized to store and release the electrical power. Next page. So why the all vanadium redox flow battery, or VRB, is so necessary for the flow battery? Because I use the opinion from the Professor Zhang Huaming. He is a very respected expert in China from Dalian Institute of Chemical Physics, Chinese Academy of Sciences. He has about 3 decades experience in the all kinds of flow batteries. He told me, and he told to the public, he stated that the prerequisite for flow battery in long duration energy storage applications, they have the most important is the dual flow system utilizing identical compositions for both calcite and alunite, and the symmetrical active species in the electrolyte is needed dual flow. So for this reason, there are many other low cost flow batteries like vanadium and iron or other metals. The cost will lower than the all vanadium flow battery, but basically the technical competitiveness is less than the VRB, or vanadium flow batteries. Next one. So we calculated the some main vanadium energy storage projects up to this month. There are about 19 vanadium VRB energy storage projects, and the total capacity is about about 2,000 milliwatt, and more than 8,000 megawatt hour. And the new VRB capacity in last year, in 2025, is about 990 megawatt and 4,130 megawatt hour. Next one. So they are main VRB companies in China. You can see that the most important one is Ronke RKB. this company's technologies from DICP, and there are other important companies, including Shanghai Electric, V Liquid, and Star New Energy, Xinxin, and VRB Energy, Energy Flow, Wangtai, Yinfeng, and Big Power, and Green Energy, and SDV Energy. They are the main VRB companies in China, and they are the most active ones. Next one. Yeah, this picture shows the newest installed VRB capacities in China 2025. And you can see there are more than 30 projects in China. And it's from the coastal area to the west area in China. Yeah, next one. Next page. And you can see from this table the former one. Yeah. Former page. Yeah. These are the new grid-connected VRB energy storage project in China. The most is from the Inner Mongolia, the Xinjiang, the Shandong, Yunnan, Gansu province, Shanghai, Qinghai, Sichuan, Hebei, Jiangsu, Anhui, Guangdong, Jilin, Henan, and the total capacity is about 990 million power. And this data is from ASIACHEM's database and report. We, as a consulting company in China, we focus on both energy and chemical industry. So we provided the database for the VRB and report for our customer, for the industry. Okay, next page. So yeah, wait a moment. So this is the key VRB energy storage projects from 2025 to 2026. Like the Three Gorges group, and second one is Ordos Guliangshan project, and Yunnan Yongren project, and Jilin Baichen project. You can see these projects are with the big size, and some of them, like the second one, Ordos, it's the world largest single capacity grid forming hybrid energy storage station, which means it's not included not only the VRB but also integrated with LIB, and take the advantages of both technologies. And so these are typical projects in China. So next page. So, this page shows the domestic big VRB manufacturing project in China. So the major companies, including the Rongke, Energy Flow, and Star New Energy, Shanghai Electric V-Liquid 新兴 V vanadium and V and TI VRB VRB Energy, Wantai, Big Power, and Green Energy. So these are more the most important projects in China over the last 1 or 2 years. Okay, next one. Next page, yeah. This page shows the major VRB electrolyte capacities in China. So in last year, we have about total capacity about 350 cubic meters, and in China, about 1 million cubic meters are planned, and in this year, about 600 kilometers, 600 cubic meters are expected to be commissioned. Okay, next page. About the cost, as we said, the disadvantages of vanadium redox flow battery is the cost comparing with the LIB. So all the industry expected to reduce the cost and increase the competitiveness to compete with the LIB. So you can see the roadmap of the cost reduction. This is from the Enerflow company. So its target is for next year. The target is to 100 to 1.5 RMB or CNY. I think it's not easy, but it's an ambitious target for the ultimate target, 0.7 RMB. Yeah, next page. So the tech advances, including the localization and the cost, and the system price, electrolyte, and we said that the target by the Enerflow is to cut the cost in the future, and the core stack breakthrough is also important in China, not only in Enerflow but also other companies like Rongke, like Shanghai Electric company, and also the standards progress, including the some standard, industrial standard, and yeah, next page. About the market growth, and as we talked, the demand booming, and in 2025, about 1 gigawatt new VRB, and estimated that the market is about 9 billion, CNY, which means scaling kick off. The market started. And this year, for optimistic estimate, and the total market may be reached 14 billion CNY, which means about 2 billion US dollars. And by the year of 2030, the estimated market is about 50 billion CNY, which is a very optimistic estimate. And the VRB new capacity forecast is about 1.5 gigawatt. And okay, the annual growth rate is about 60% from the 2025 to 2030. Okay, next page. Yeah, the global expansion also in progress. We can see the some companies in China, like Rongke, like Energy Flow, start the cooperation with the overseas partners. Okay, next page. And the energy storage drives the vanadium consumption. In theory, the one kilowatt hour electricity storage needs 5.6 kg. In China, the vanadium consumption hit about 25,000 ton in last year, based on the V2O5 for energy storage use, and ranking number 2, accounting for about 20 total vanadium consumption, following the number 1 consumption, the steel, about 71%. And this year, the forecast energy storage demand is about 32,000 ton, and which is a significant increase. And the estimate of 2030, the energy storage used vanadium is about 90,000 ton in then. Yeah. Next page. So let's have a summary and an outlook. The market demand and the policy support the drive the growth of China's energy storage market. And the lithium ion battery dominated the overall energy storage market, but the vanadium flow battery hold the leading position with the flow battery segment. Also, VRB offers safety advantages. High cost remains their most significant challenge. Some Chinese companies are actively working to reduce costs, targeting in progression from a higher to a lower one. And achieving cost breakthroughs is critical for making long-duration energy storage and cost competitive with grid power. So the international cooperation in both in technology and the market is essential. And I think the technology-backed growth and practical deployment, lower costs, enhance competitiveness, strengthen the collaboration with the vanadium resources, and expand the global energy storage market are the important directions for both the international players, not only the companies but also the organizations like the very important platinum of like Vanitech. So we hope we have a bright future for the vanadium industry. Thank you.
Thank you
So
very much.
next
Yes,
one.
one more. You have a
Yeah.
report also.
So yeah, so this is our report about the China VRB industry annual report. And next one, next page. So we also organize some annual conference in the vanadium industry and the VRB. I think Vanitech we have a cooperation over the past years. Thanks to Terry, not only one time to deliver a presentation, sometimes to deliver the very good presentations in our conference. So next one, next page. So we also planned the forum this year, but the time and the location still to be confirmed. So we also welcome the speakers. You can contact with this email, contact with me. So that's all my presentations, and thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, Lei. There are some questions for you in the Q&A. We don't have time to do those right now. We need to move on to the next speaker. But if you could click on the Q&A section and answer those questions in writing to folks, that'd be helpful. Thank you very much for a
Okay.
wonderful presentation. I really appreciated that.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to move on now to GJ from Thai